Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial with one of my first indie brands that I wanted to share with you guys that I do own. It is by Concrete Minerals. Now these are pigments, they're mainly pigments. They have lip products and things, but they have beautiful pigments on their website, and I did a full review on them. I'm not sure if it'll be up by now. It should be up by now, so if you want to see that, I will link it up in the iCards for you guys. But I came up with this look. It is a little bit darker for this time of year, but the pigments that I do own from them are a little bit more darker in that sense. I can do another look if you guys are interested. I'm not sure. I do have other brands that I do want to do, but it's up to you guys. I will do whatever you guys want me to do. So you're here for this tutorial, so if you want to see how to recreate this look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today we're going to work with an indie brand, as you guys saw from the title, and I'm sure from my introduction. I am going to use pigments from Concrete Minerals. Now, I'm not sure if the review and swatches of these will be up already or they haven't. I don't know yet. If it is, I'll obviously link it up here in the iCards. So I'm going to start out with one of their their Pro Matte eyeshadows, and this is in the color Thrash. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is like this green. They're all matte. Obviously, this one's matte. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do like a halo look. So I'm going to put this in the outer corners and the inner corners and kind of like blend it in, leaving the center in. And I'm also going to bring it down a little bit on my lower lash line. Now, in case you're wondering how I do pigments, whatever's on the cap is what I grab. So I'm just going to work with little by little so I don't make a mess with these. As always, I'm going to grab a blending brush and just blend, not too much because you're going to blend the color away. So I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on top on the bottom, a halo look. Now I'm going to grab a flat brush and we're going to use the glitter glue because we're going to go in with a purple, but it's more of the shimmer shades. These are their mineral eyeshadows. So these have more of a glitter, more of a shine to them. And the color we're going to go in with is Sabotage, which is this pretty purpley, has pretty purple pink silver to it. So open that up. And whatever's in the cap is what we're going to grab. That same brush that we used with the green, I'm just gonna blend this out. Let me grab a mirror closer. Blend this out a little bit. I'm going to go in and do the same at the bottom, just in the center. For the waterline, I'm going to use this Lancome Twirling Purple Liner. Now this has been discontinued or was limited edition, but any purple liner that you do have will work. I'm just going to put this in the waterline. Alright, so I'm done with the eyes. I think I am officially done. Let me just blend out a little bit more up here. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a black wing liner, some lashes, mascara, and we'll return for the rest of the face. Alright, so this is the eyes, almost done, not quite. I know the lashes look a little bit dramatic, but with this look, since it is dramatic, I paired it with dramatic lashes. As I always state, just take what you like from the tutorials that I do, or anybody's tutorial for that matter, and make it your own if you're not loving what you're seeing. But I'm kind of digging it. I'm not used to seeing the darker in the center and the lighter on the outer part, but we will go with it. Now for the blush, I'm going to use Dandelion by Benefit, just to kind of brighten the face since we have darker eyes. And then for highlight, I am still really liking this palette, Aurora. And today I want to use the color Luna, which I haven't used yet. So we're going to highlight our face with Miss Luna, which my son loves to say. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to grab Helia, which is the green one right here. Since it is a green one, I'm going to spray a brush and then put it in our inner corner. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that. For lips, I didn't like what I was wearing, so I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Melted Liquify Longwear Lip in the color Nude. Okay guys, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep in mind that you just take what it is that you like from this tutorial. You don't have to recreate the whole thing. I will link these pigments down in the description box if you're interested in checking out this indie brand. I really enjoyed it. The colors that I do have are more darker, so that's why I didn't do such a lighter look in there. I like how it turned out. I really did. Now, would I wear this in the summer? Not really. I would probably wear this more in the fall winter time, but it's still a beautiful look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.